Anxiety is very common in today's world, being that how demanding the world is, plus all the changes are constantly going on. In fact, there are 40 million people in America that are diagnosed with anxiety and are struggling with anxiety every day. However, finding an effective way to reduce these feelings of anxiety can be challenging. It's not always easy, and especially when it comes to traditional commercialized pharmaceutical medications. Compounded medications, on the other hand, can be more effective in treating the debilitating impact anxiety can play in your life. Compounding pharmacies like American Integrated Pharmacy can create medications by modifying them and making them tailored to each patient, which can lead to great results. Here are some ways that we can help people that are dealing with anxiety through pharmaceutical compounding. Oftentimes, patients are struggling with the side effects that come with their antidepressants or their anti-anxiety medications. American Integrated Pharmacy is a unique pharmacy, and that we explore alternative options in order to help them find a medication that might not have those side effects associated with them. Also, when it comes to anxiety, doctors and patients both love that they can customize their therapy, so they can find strengths that they need, or they can remove any preservatives or fillers or dyes in case they're sensitive in that regard too. Also, many patients are struggling with anxiety. Some pharmacies fail to address that they might have anxiety just coming into the pharmacy, just to pick up the medication. This is where American Integrated Pharmacy loves to make a compounded product, but also will remove that step of having them come into the store where it might build their anxiety even more. One very popular medication that's really been growing in popularity for anxiety is oxytocin. Oxytocin is a peptide hormone and a neuropeptide that acts as a natural pain reliever and is made in the hypothalamus. It plays a role in social bonding, childbirth, and sexual reproduction in both males and females. By binding to receptors and lowering serum cortisol, often called the stress hormone, it can improve mood. It is also a hormone that can promote feelings of intimacy and actually increases 5 times its normal level during climax. Seeing that it's a chemical that's already made in the body, a lot of prescribers and patients see this as a product that can treat anxiety, but maybe in a more natural way. So to summarize, as I mentioned, 40 million patients are dealing with anxiety in the USA. And with this demanding world, oftentimes you need a solution. We look forward on working closely with patients and their doctors on finding a solution via oxytocin to help them lower their anxiety.